All right, over here on the passenger side.
Watch
Sweet
this.
baby Jesus.
Wow.
It's funny. Between this car and Peter's T-Bird in class, we've done the same thing.
Yeah.
Is this a T-Bird fetish? Like,
Who knows?
How greasy and nasty can we get our T-Birds? So people in the future get mad.
I mean, this is...
Disgusting.
Yeah, and this is just to try and get to the head of the bolts.
Yeah, you couldn't even freaking pressure wash that off. It wouldn't do anything. The purple power and the rust dissolver are on the way.
Oh, beautiful.
I have sent it.
I mean, this is...
Oh my. And this is why this is taking. There's a wire brush. It would do it a little faster on like a.
Oh yeah, once I get it done, but I take the wire brush to
well,
it.
the
and
one
it's
on the
perfect.
grinder would
Yeah.
be good, but at the same time, that would just shoot shit all over the place.
I mean, this is...
We're trying to not make a total mess.
Yeah.
But it kind of is a total mess, unfortunately.
Okay, I'm curious.
No, you're not.
Oh, no, it is actually worse than the driver's side. Oh my God, look at this. It's actually touching the backing plate.
That's incredible. This poor thing.
But it did preserve some of the parts.
Look at that. Look how nice that metal is
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah, that's why I just want to evapor rust it in purple power, and it'll be...
Well, they got the Rust-Oleum rust dissolver.
Yeah, that'll work. Rust-Oleum's actually pretty
I
good.
got you 2 quarts of it.
Okay. We may need more than that.
Well, you can be put on a rag and they'll rub. It'll rub and tug. Oh my God, I can see the boot already. Yeah, this shit's gonna need to marinate.
I mean,
Be like doing a
look at this.
doing a brisket. Marinate.
It is. It's got to be a T-Bird thing.